Hi, this is BRR. In this video, we'll discuss about JaggedArray. So far we have seen arrays, single-dimensional and multi-dimensional arrays. And now we'll look into this JaggedArray. So what is this JaggedArray? So JaggedArray is nothing but storing of array elements in the array. Like I can say, like JaggedArray is an array of an array. So JaggedArray store arrays instead of any other data type values directly, like how you are storing in normal single dimensional multi-dimensional array. So this jagged array can be stored arrays in the array. So jagged array is initialized with the two square brackets. Like we'll see the syntax, like how it is being defining in the C sharp. We look at the syntax of jagged array, we'll be knowing how it is going to work out. So the syntax of jagged array is int this way, and I can say like array 1. This way I'm going to declare the array. So basically the syntax is data type and square brackets 2 and array name. So this way we'll declare the jagged array. So it is basically storing arrays in the jagged array. Now, example I can take int array 1 equal to new int of I'm saying two arrays. I'm going to store. I can store using int array of 0 equal to new of int let us say like 3 which is storing 1 comma 2 comma 3 values. That means in the 0th index of jogged array, like I can say like int jogged array. So I've been declared two arrays, two indexes here jogged array. In the first row position, I'm storing array of size 3, which holds 1 to 3, and int jogged array of one position. I'm declaring another array, of type int of 2. I'm storing 4 comma 5. So like that, I'm assigning array element itself into a array index. So that way, that the 0 index, this array is storing in the 1 index. This another array is going to store. Now, if you want to print this, so you can directly use console dot write line of int jogged array 1 of, if I say 0 0 of this thing, it gives output as a 1. If you say similarly in the position of 1, it gives 2. So like that, it is giving you output. So we'll see like how it is going to store in the memory. If you look at the diagram of jagged array, it is storing the elements like this in the figure. So I've been declared jagged array of 5 the length. So each position I'm storing like on one more array, in the 0 position 1 array, and 1 position 1 array, and second position 1 array, like that. Now all 5 positions I'm storing arrays this way. Like this jagged array is storing array itself as an element in the array. So on each index of jagged array, another array reference is stored. So that is what the advantage of maintaining arrays itself in the array by declaring the jagged array syntax in the C sharp. Okay, so if you look at the program, just how it is going to work out, and just declaring a jagged array of integer. Jagged array just declaring with 3 size so that it stores 3 arrays, and storing jagged array of 0 position. I'm storing 3 comma 2 because I'm storing here multi-dimensional array, or if you can store single dimension if you want, like in the above example as I told you, here 1 comma 2 comma 3. This way I'm storing single dimensional here. We'll do single dimensional array. We'll check how it is being working. Now into jagged array of first index, I'm storing 2 length array like 3 4. So like that I've been declared jagged array, and here I'm printing 0 comma 0. So this is going to give the one value, and like that you can specify how many lines of code you are going to write. You can write it. If I say here this is something called 2, it is giving output as 3. So if I give another statement called 1 comma 1, what it is doing is it is giving value as 5 as per the above declaration. Okay, you run this and check how it is working, and you'll be knowing what are all the inputs. So if you look at here, it is giving 1 3. Oh, oops, it is 5 I mentioned, so it is a 4 value because this value it is giving, so you have to be sure. Okay, so this way you are storing a single dimensional array in the jagged array. Now I want to store multi-dimensional array as a value in the jagged array. So how we are going to declare? So as I told you, for the multi-dimensional array you have to specify second bracket with a comma that indicates multi-dimensional array, like in this way. So int jagged array of 2 new of int 3 is a comma. Okay, now I'm storing values of multi-dimensional 0 equal to new int of 3 comma 2 of values. I'm specifying 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 have been declared in the first position, and in second position I am declaring of int 2 comma 2. So and assigning the values as 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. So this way I've been assigned, and if you print these values you have to use right line of int jagged array of 0th position of 1 comma 1. If I give this particular line of code, okay, this is referring this first index array of 1 comma 1 value. Here 1 comma 1 value is what? First row. This is the 0th row. This is the first row of first column. This is the 4. Here the value is 4. Similarly, right line of int jagged array 2 of this time I'm specifying first array of first position of 1 comma 1, or if you specify 0, this gives a second array and specified second position of jagged array means second array of first row 0th value. That means it is going to give third. So if you run this and you can check here, you will be knowing output how it is going to process. Please clearly look at here. I'm specified a jogged array of multidimensional, which has multidimensional array, and I'm printing an int jog2 of zeroth array, zeroth position. 1, means this is the value it is returning, and jagged array of 1 second. This second array of 1, 0 means 5 has to come. Sorry, this 5 has to come. Okay, if you run this, you will be knowing output exactly what it is coming out. Here 143, and this is 4 5. So this is all about declaring jogged array using a single dimensional as well as multi-dimensional. So the main purpose of jogged array is storing array elements within the array. So this is what the purpose of jogged array. I hope you understand the syntax of jogged array, like how we are going to use in C# and the purpose of jogged array. Thank you. Thanks for listening to this video. Please subscribe this YouTube channel for more videos on C# demos.